Hello, my name is Ashley, and I'm continuing yesterday's tutorial. I think it was yesterday. Thing was, there's a bug when we left off. The bug was when all these are publics, don't write in here. You have to use the finger inspector. So when you write in here, it should fix the bug. When we start it, you get a nice thing like here. And remember the position X and position Y. I'll show you in the script. Yeah, this is the X pos. This is where we show the position in the X way and the Y way. We added these bits here. As you see, it starts from 0, 0. We don't want it like that. We want a bit more thingy. So if you move this, it should move like this. And here we go. So yeah, this is a lot better. And you see these some buttons, you can play with these. When you're in play mode, if you change these and you exit play mode, these go back to default value. So you can increase the number of buttons. And this one won't do anything. So increase the number of rows. You get like this. Just want to add 5 rows. And now I messed that one up. Right. On the border, we can use the border like if you want like this. Or we can make the buttons a lot bigger. 64. So 3 and 24, we've got this now. So we make this 3 here and 24 here. And it's draggable from mouse control to the drag window. So let's see, yeah. Only cause it's black border, so you can move the window like this. So as you see here, that we could delete this bit here, hello. This is the number 3 here that adds the minus. I do the -1 because you need the inventory to have, there has to be something in the inventory, so I can show it there. So the -1 is like blank. So yeah, so we've got this. Now we want to add something to the inventory, like I click the item I want to add it. So best ways to do it is simply go Unity, raycast, and caps. This raycast, one of the outlets. Yeah, C#. Like that. Point to there. This is not the one we wanted. Well, these should really have it. You want to out it. Position, transposition. I'll just get from the references. So what first we want is, we need to make a private raycast hit. Then we need to make a private ray. Usually you could just do it in the update function, you know, spawn this update function, but I usually like to keep it up here so I can remember which is which. So we want ray to be equal to camera main screen position. This here. Point ray. Point ray. What's it called? It's called input mouse position. Yeah, like this. So we got this here. So let's say we want it to send the ray when we click the fire button on the mouse. So the first button on the mouse. Put it down. Yep. This will be fire 1. Unity should automatically have this inbuilt. This fire 1 as a mouse thing. So send a raycast when you press fire 1. If it's raycast, as you see here. So we copy. No, I'll just write physics raycast. You want the ray from the inspector slash out head. I think this is the distance, yeah, 500. So let's see, for quick test, we want it to print it, so there won't be any errors. Hit. If I game object and go outside like collider, then game object. Because you need to find the distance of between the term. So if you put console and you press it, yeah, it gets cubes. Good. So nice. So if you make an if loop here, now we want to show a for loop, not if loop. And we make it int I is equal to 0, I plus plus, no, int I is equal to 0, I less than bag dot length, because we go find the ID of the number. So if you see these cubes here, what are these? Are these two? Each of these cubes have a tag on it, the ID tag. So check the tag of the object. So yeah, you could do for each to make it quicker if you now use a for each loop. But the thing is, from what I've read, it consumes a bit more memory collection, I think. What's it called? So you want the hit. For will be less of a impact. Let's just do game object.tag. You could do tag straight away, I prefer to do it like this. It's equal to I dot ID dot to string. So this items class we have here. Let me delete this from here. I can't remember what this was for. So if you see here, we've got enum. We made the ID int here. Actually, we'll make a string really. Or int or string. We'll keep as a string. So at least then we'll get rid of this bit. Not this reference one. We can get rid of this bit here then. So this will check if the game object we clicked on, the tag is equal to one of the bag.ids. Here, if you normally straight away you can add it to inventory straight away, but then you don't want to do it like that. So you want to do it now for loop. Want to make sure we'll call this int some int and let's see x just randomly because if you do it as a straight away, it can overlap another one or make the inventory too big. I'm not showing the buttons. So you want to be less than inventory dot count to x plus plus. So first of all, we want to check we could check if the inventory dot get dot id is equal to -1. Because we made it all string, so it should be -1. If it's not equal to -1, we'll make it easy like this. So inventory dot id dot x equal to tag dot I. So Let's have a try. Any others? Is that error? Come on. What the? Did it just open a... Why did it open two? Wait, let me shut this and just make it reopen then. So, which one? Let's see. And let's check the 6 somewhere. Yeah, I've got. This one here. Sorry about it. Yeah. So let's see. Let's check. Sorry, but that's the reference thing. So let's see. Buttons respond. So we'll add more of these. And no. And why is that? Because we didn't add an ID system. I think it just resetted it. 3 minus 1. And I forgot I'm in play mode. One, 2, 3, minus 1. So let's do it like this. There could be 6 somewhere. So let's see. If picked up product is equal to game object of ID. What is tag a string? Yes. So let's see. We want the tag system here. What these tags do? 3. So it's 3. Oh wait. Strip me. Not equal. It has to be equal. Yeah. I'm supposed to do it once. Now I got the strip back. I'm supposed to do the game object. Want it to hit dot collider dot game object. I'm supposed to destroy function. Yeah, like that. Thing is, if this is true, I want to break it or continue. Break or continue, find out now. I don't think really break continue should work. Yeah, it did. So it breaks the function and sends it. So now we got a nice adding thing here. Now, first of all, we got this, so we want it to thingy. So, so we want to do it through events. You can't thing it is we're gonna do through events now. You can't do it in void and drag because you have to do it in the inventory button. So we want to do it is if 1, 2, 3 fc event dot current dot type is equal to event dot current dot drag. And how do you do the drag mouse one? Box. See. Reference event type, sorry. Event type dot drag mouse drag. I'll do a bigger one. Yeah. Mouse drag. So we keep this here. 1, 2, 3, 1. So if you copy paste this bit here. So what this will do, this one will check if the mouse is up. First want to check if the mouse is down. You see when the mouse is down and we click on the first button, I'll get the coordinate when first time clicked, and when it released it, like the F here, I release the mouse, we get the last coordinate of the button. Mouse up. Yeah. So I want 3 things here. 3 balls. Button pressed. Let's make this up first ball. It's equal to true. It's equal to false. Thing is, we want to check if it's a drag, so we drag a mouse. So we want this and button press. Button press to be equal, to be true. Yeah, like this. Anyway, I'll be back in a second. I think my eggs are burning.